is Dr. August Dunning, and I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And this is a video for all my new subscribers. I had to drop off there for a couple of weeks because I wanted to finish my book, this one here, Staying Here, which is really interesting because staying here and dry fasting, the Phoenix Protocol, go hand in hand. As it turns out, for anyone who already knows this, dry fasting is pretty easy. And the idea here is to restore your metabolic function, to take a break from eating, because eating takes a lot of energy to digest food, sort it, package it, put it in fat, whatever. And when you turn all that stuff off, all that energy is devoted to healing, and then you end up eating much better. End up out of the fast, you feel better, your aches and pains are gone, you sleep better, all sorts of great things. In the new book, I found out that iron loading is a big problem with the aging process. And that dry fasting, it turns out, after testing the stuff that comes out after a dry fast, it's full of iron. So dry fasting, according to the Russian doctors, can supposedly extend your life 15, 20 years if you dry fast. I think they're absolutely right, and I think I know why. I think it's because of the reduction of iron after a dry fast. It reduces the amount of labile iron in the body, which is the source of all inflammation and the source of aging. So if you want to stop aging, or reverse it, and you want to get healthy, do a dry fast. It's really pretty simple. You just stop eating for 5 to 7 days. Unless you want to do short dry fast, which are really, really helpful too. I'll talk about that tomorrow. But as far as a regular dry fast, a 5 to 7 day dry fast, these things are really, really interesting because for a couple of days you're burning off all your glycogen. All the stuff in the muscles and all that strength and so forth, that gets burnt down until it reaches the point where you reach a criticality and your body switches from burning glucose to burning fat. So you're going to lose a lot of weight on a dry fast because you're using all your fat, which is made up of triglycerides, a combination of glycerol and free fatty acids that are released during the state of ketosis to allow the mitochondria to make energy, to make the liver make plasma glucose to keep your blood and brain alive because they run off glucose. So you've got a natural system here that's designed to work within your existing biology to repair yourself. And this is something I've thought for a long time. I was talking to my friend Ben Davidson about this last time I was out at the ranch. And I'll be there in about 10 days performing a 5-day dry fast for participants who want to involve themselves in this. What we came up with, and I think I've understood for a long time, is the body has a natural way to fix problems. And if we don't know how, it just goes south, you know? So really what Hippocrates said was sometimes the best remedy is to do nothing. That's absolutely true. Because if you do nothing, you end up healing yourself. But that's where it gets interesting. Because when you don't eat or don't eat for a certain amount of time, you have this orange gooey evacuant at the end of the dry fast, and that's loaded with iron. So when the Russian doctors say that dry fasting extends your life 15 to 20 years, it's probably because you're unloading a lot of iron. And the way this happens is the Interasytes that get loaded up with iron, I explained in this book, break off and come out with the evacuant. And they're loaded with iron because those cells are specifically designed to hold on to iron or not, depending on how much iron's in the body. If it has too much, it starts packing those cells, and you risk colorectal cancers and bowel cancers and all that stuff from all this inflammation, from all that held iron. So dry fasting just removes that layer. Very interesting. I talk about it in detail in the book. So really, this book, The Phoenix Protocol, and this book, Staying Here, are absolutely essential for time travel. If you want to live longer, and you want to live healthier, and you want to have less problems in your life to deal with in here so you can project out here to fix the problems that you have to address every day, try dry fasting. I would suggest both books, but I would certainly suggest getting the dry fasting book first. Because after that 48 hours to get into oxidative phosphorylation, where you're burning fat, there's a lot of changes that happen, and you need to understand what those are. You're not going to sleep well. You're not going to feel well. You're going to have aches and pains. But one thing that's interesting is that, and I'm sure all my viewers that already do this know, if you had an injury in an area, you're liable to get some soreness in that area during the dry fast, as your body's trying to fix that damage that was never really fixed. And at the end of it, you don't have any pain. You don't have any pain in that area. In fact, common aches and pains go away because it supports my theory that inflammation is based off of iron loading. And you unload a lot of iron, and it really helps you feel better. Anyway, so this is for all the new subscribers. And to all the regular subscribers, yes, I'm done writing that book. And I'll be doing these things more often now, if not daily, every other day. Because I want you guys to know that this is a great method to get yourself healthy. It's easy. Get the book, Phoenix Protocol, learn how to do it. Because if you do it safely and you exit the dry fast correctly, all the benefits are compounded. They're fantastic. Anyway, if you don't know, please hit the subscribe button if you're first time here. Please hit the like button if you've been here before. Leave me a note, leave me a message. Tell YouTube you're actually watching these things so they promote it more for other people, because I don't monetize these. I am not going to have some pharmaceutical company jump in with some product in the middle of my message. Ain't going to happen, Captain. Anyway, that's it for today. It's getting pretty windy and stormy out here. See a windsurfer down there on the other end of the beach. But that's it. Try some dry fasting. It'll do you well, and you'll be better for it. Anyway, I'll talk to you tomorrow. See ya.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?